Happy Easter! Can you go find that Easter egg?
Where is it?
Where'd it go?
Did you find it?
What's in it? Oh! What is it?
What was inside the egg? Was it snacks? Are those nummies?
You want to eat it? Yeah. Put them back in the egg so they don't get dirty. Is it good? Was it yummy? Mmm.
Put those on the floor.
Now put them in the Easter egg, please. You're goofy.
Good job.
Yeah.
I bet you there's more eggs in here.
Yeah, should we look for more Easter eggs?
Find them? There's more in here. Where could they be?